Hi, this is Coach Benji. I'm a book author and an international trainer. Allow me to share to you what JC Business can provide to everyone. Kung meron po kayong tanong, please reserve your question and we will answer all your questions after the presentation. Okay, so let's start. Now, our business is all about drop shipping and online selling, retailing, and wholesaling. Now, in doing an opportunity, you have to consider three things and it becomes a major secret for the success of the opportunity. Una, titignan po natin yung stability ng company. Now, for your information, ang ating pong kumpanya is the maker of the most famous food cart franchise, the Siomai King. Na-awardan po tayo since 2020 up to 2023 and we are ISO certified. Kilala na po tayo at matagal na sa industriya. Also, we are the leading health, beauty, and wellness company founded in 2013. So we are more than 10 years na in the industry. Now, we are partnering with countries like in New Zealand, Iceland, Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam, and other countries to ensure the unparalleled product experience for you. So we have international standards. Now, our international headquarters located po tayo sa Italy, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Singapore, Taiwan, and of course, our head office in Manila is located in Shaw Boulevard at napakaganda po ng ating office and very corporate. Now, we also have our own office in Cebu at meron po tayong sarili nating building in Davao. We are very, very stable. Now, we also have international business centers located sa Malaysia, Canada, Switzerland, okay? And the owners, of course, you have to consider. Our owners are actually, of course, the billionaires, Mr. Jonathan So and Carlito Macadangdang. They are very prominent. Na-feature po sila sa People Asia, awarded as People Asia 2021 up to 2023. They were also featured in the People Asia as the men who mattered at 2021 and awarded in Rising Tigers. Now, they are very prominent and very visible. No, napakagaling po pag ang ating mga may-ari nakikita nyo nakasama natin, no, na very active, very passionate, they have very high integrity and they're hands-on in our business. Now, they have several engagements, exposures, no, kaya po sila naman talagang very high ang credibility. Now, second that we have to consider in finding the right opportunity is the value of the product. No? Ang flagship product po natin is JC Organic Barley as endorsed by Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. This is our best-selling product, the most trending health juice, no? Awarded as the best natural supplement for 2023 which sold millions, no, worth worldwide. And tayo po kilala na sa iba't ibang bansa. Alam nyo ba, no, if I may say, na ang top leading cause of death, no, this is statistics from 1999 up to the present. Number 1 is sakit sa puso. So ilan ang kilala mong may sakit sa puso? Number 2 is cancer. No, 1 out of 3 people die out of cancer. Number 3, diabetes. No, yan po, marami pong mataas ang blood sugar. And of course, insomnia dahil sa pagod, sa puyat, sa trabaho, no, people become stressful. So dun pa lang ang rami na nating market. Alam nyo ba, no, na these are the current conditions responding to barley, na ibig sabihin, ito po yung mga sakit na nararamdaman na maganda ang benefit ng ating barley. I, for once, if I may give my personal testimony, no, this is actually the barley juice in a sachet, and I drink 1 glass every day. Lagyan po natin ng tubig. We drink this 30 minutes before meal. And for me, ako po, ang unang effect sa akin, nakakalakas. Mas malakas ka, iba yung net energy mo. This works as a natural Red Bull. No, ito po ay organic. So di katulad nung iba na mga energy booster, synthetic, may side effect. Pangalawa, it works on detoxification. Nakakalinis po ng ating katawan. Maganda for sa ating mga bituka, tapos lumiliit pa ang tiyan. So sa akin, nakakapayat, nakakabata, nakaka-healthy. And one major secret for long life is actually detox, cleansing of our body. Third, it's very good for the blood circulation for high blood and low blood. So it works well on the heart and it regulates your blood sugar. So basically, sa akin, nakakabata, nakakalakas at hindi nagkakasakit. So me and the whole family is using the product. Now, alam nyo ba, pag umiinom po tayo nito, para kang kumakain ng isang platong gulay. So ganun po ang sustansya. And based on science, this JC Organic Barley actually has the complete 68 micronutrients na kailangan ng mga bata mula 6 months onwards hanggang pinakami edad. So everybody can drink this. Walang contraindication. Bakit? Kasi gulay ito eh. Now, our JC Organic Barley actually came from New Zealand. Yung po yung ating competitive level. And we are approved, no, in the FDA of different countries and we are halal certified. So everybody can drink this. This is a world-class barley. Very pure, natural, and organic compared sa iba. So we are of the highest grade. Now, we are featured in Reader's Digest. Alam nyo naman, ang Reader's Digest is already 100 years. So, once na ma-feature ka sa Reader's Digest, iba ang competency mo. At dito po sa Philippines, we are registered in the Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory, which is a reference of mga medical practitioners. So, pag nandiyan ka sa PPD, iba yung iba yung credibility mo na pagkakatiwalaan, binibili na nila agad. Now, ang pinakamaganda nito, more than me, marami na po ang nakakagamit and we hear so many testimonies na napakagaling ng ating produkto, no? Magaling sa acid kasi antacid po ito. This is alkalinity. Nawala yung sakit ng tiyan, nagnormal yung blood cholesterol, normal uric acid level, mas lumalakas, nawawala po yung mga gout tsaka yung bukol. Okay? Maganda ang bowel movement, tapos napakasarap, nakakalakas pa. Marami pong nagbibigay ng mga personal testimonies, mga may sakit man o wala, na nakagaling talaga sa kanila. Moreover, our product is already accepted international. Marami ng ibang lahi na nakakagamit and they love the taste kasi yung atin po matamis kasi gumagamit po tayo ng stevia as a sweetener. We have different nationalities tried and drinking our products. Moroccan, Malaysian, Tunisian, Nigerian, Afghanistan, Russia, Spanish, Brazilians, no, mga Emirati, Canadian, Dutch, Yemen, Arab at marami pa pong iba. Now, also, for your information, ang ating pong company JC are also carrying other products such as the JC Organic Barley Capsule, we have the Calvit C Vitamin C, 4-Green Glutafit which is nakakaputi, the OmniFit na nakakapayat, and we have JC Barley in the flavor of Classic and Mocha. Now, we also introduces beauty products coming from Korea. So, napakalaki ng market ng ating skincare at napakaraming kababaihan. They love using our product. Now, we also have our wellness product which are the K-pads used for day, night, and the panty liner na lahat naman ng babae kailangan to. Alam niyo po, ang ating pong K-pads is very healthy. It's very good for UTI, dysmenorrhea, no? At syempre, they protect their feminine hygiene. So, ito po the best sa mga ladies. Now, pangatlo na dapat natin i-consider is profitability. Kikita ba tayo dyan? Magkano bang pwede natin kitain? No? It's very simple. We have 3 basic ways to make money. Online selling, retailing, and wholesaling. Let me explain that one by one. Ang atin pong business also has no membership fee. Wala itong joining fee at walang sign-up fee. Kasi basically, para ka lang bumili ng product na mas mura tapos minarket natin. And our market is the whole world. Now, when you become a franchisor, wholesaler, you are now authorized. It's very doable. Napakalaki ng pwedeng kitain. You get lifetime privileges na pwedeng ipamana. Simple, kayang i-manage ng kahit sino pa man at kahit medyo hindi ka naman talaga into business, kayang-kayang gawin. It's a ready business at the touch of a button and you are entitled, able to use all branches, makakapag-access ka worldwide. Now, so paano ba tayo kumita sa JC Organic Barley? Una, you can make money through drop shipping and online selling. Ito po napakalaking business, no? It's an e-commerce business that you do it online, walang overhead, walang maintenance. It's drop shipping. You just basically connect the customer to the company. All you have to do is to post. You will have your exclusive shop link. Okay? Ipo-post mo lang when somebody orders online, no, you will earn from 40 to 60%. So basically, if you start selling the product, let's say you sell 1 box or 10 boxes a day, you can earn 20,000 a month or even up to 60,000, which is a good income na mas malaki pa sa sahod mo. So ito po yung average na pwede mong kitain. Online pa lang ito, walang overhead, tapos pwede mong i-market sa buong mundo. Second, you can consider retailing. May product talaga na pwede mong ibenta o i-share sa mga kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, office mates mo, and to the whole of the community. So, it's a double income more than online that you can sell to your community that again, it's another part-time income of 20 to 60,000 monthly. So, dun pa lang, doble na yung income mo. Pangatlo, paano coach pag merong gustong mag-wholesale din sa akin na gusto rin niyang mag-business? Good news, may kita ka pa rin sa kanila. That if you start selling to them wholesale, sila rin, they started marketing the product so you can earn. And mas malaki po ang income dito, unlimited. You can earn 70,000 up to 450,000 a month. Okay? Or you can even earn more. It is unlimited. This is how we make the millions, no? By encouraging people to do wholesale as well. Now, good news! May mga additional privileges pa tayo sa mga authorized wholesalers. Now, meron po tayong tinatawag na 3R, the royalty, rewards, and rebates. So, paano naman itong 3R na to? Okay, una, through the royalties. Okay, paano pag yung mga wholesalers, they started on selling products as well? May income pa ba tayo? Meron po that you can earn even up to 90,000 per month, no? So, dito it becomes unlimited. Everybody use and sell the product, no? You encourage more people to become wholesalers. Second R, meron po tayong mga rewards. The company is providing travel incentives such as in Japan, Hong Kong, Italy, and even local travel. So dito, pwede kang mag-travel ng libre. Third R, meron po tayong mga rewards. The company is providing luxury shopping. It becomes free when you accumulate points in every time that you share the product and you share the opportunity pag kumukuha ka ng mga wholesalers. And these are luxury shopping mga gamit na pwede mong magamit. Libre, the likes of LV, Gucci, no, and Christian Dior, grabe po ito, a great opportunity. Now, and also meron din tayo mga rebates pa na pwede ka pang kumita ng 50,000 monthly or even up to 450,000 a month. You can distribute the products worldwide. So, unlimited market, unlimited income. Now, so how do we become an authorized wholesaler international? Simple lang, you have choices of your package. Syempre, pag tayo po nagbi-business, no, mas malaki po ang gusto nating discount, mas malaki po ang ating startup. Did you know? First, you have to become a master wholesaler. That's the first option. As a master wholesaler, you get products. This become your immediate supply. The product worth 775,000. Good news. Ang startup mo as a master wholesaler is 554,528. So meron ka ng savings o profit na pag minarket mo yan, you can already earn 220,472 pesos selling pa lang. Okay? And you enjoy 60% discount on every purchase. Kayang-kaya, mura, lifetime business, no? Simpleng gawin. You can even do it at home at nangyayari na po ito. I myself is a master wholesaler. Okay? Imagine 60%. Coach, hindi ko kaya. Okay? Can I start with a lower wholesale amount? Meron po tayong second choice which is the mega wholesaler. The mega wholesaler dito, nasa 50% ka na lang. Pero ang product supply startup mo is 375,000. Pero ang good news, ang promo price mo nito, 268,320. So yun yung immediate, yung initial na magiging simula mo. From there, you already got a profit or a savings of 106,680. So it's a second option. Coach, hindi ko pa rin kaya. Pwede naman. You can start with the next package called the Super Wholesaler, no? That you enjoy 47% discount on every purchase, no? You start with the product supply of 175,000, but with the initial promo startup of 125,216. Doon pa lang may profit and savings ka na of 49,784. So, initial startup, ang laki ng kita, good business, okay, ang bilis ng return. Eh, coach, hindi ko pa rin kaya yung 47% and 49,784. Okay? Now, we are also introducing the basic wholesaler package that you get startup package of 75,000 pesos worth ng mga supply, okay? Only with the startup of 53,664. Mas mahal pa yung iPhone mo. Ang savings mo dyan, nasa 21,336. Doon pa lang nakamura ka na. And you enjoy 43% discount. Okay? So, kung negosyante ka, which package would you choose? Syempre, you would choose the higher package. Pero kung hindi mo kaya magsimula, pwede ka magsimula ng mababa, tapos dagdagan mo na lang until you become, okay, a master wholesaler. Now, puno-puno tayo ng good news. Alam mo ba na from JC, tayo rin po ang may-ari ng Siomai King. So, anong ibig sabihin? Alam nyo po, Siomai King is the #1 franchise business. And we are introducing the online franchise concept. Paano po ito? Number 1, pwede ka rin mag-dropshipping. So you enjoy a basic 20% for every food franchise, food package sold. Example, no? Meron po tayong pack ng chicken siomai which cost 148 pesos. That's 40 pieces na. Ang mura na nga, retail pa. Good news, you enjoy a basic 20% profit. So more or less, may 30 pesos ka per pack. When you sell 10 pieces, so that's 300 pesos. It's a good sideline income, or even you sell more, you make more money. So 1 is drop shipping, 2 is community selling. Kailangan mo lang ng ref to stock your food, then sell it to your community. Third, meron din po tayong wholesale profit dito. So second business mo, tapos #1 sa food pa ito. Now, eto pa, coach, gusto ko magsimula. Okay, pero wala akong immediate cash. Now, at this current time, we have tied up with BillEase. BillEase is a quick loan online with limited, alam mo yun, konting requirement, pero ang bilis ng approval. 5 minutes lang. And they make the payment easy. No? Na imbis na one-time cash ang ilalabas mo, they can extend it up to 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Ang dali, ang bilis, tapos mas mura pa. Now, alam nyo po ba, napakagandang business. You can send your products to international, US, Canada, Hong Kong, Singapore, no? Katulad po ng isang ating mga top producers, sila Jill Alona, and you can even start it at the comfort of your home. You can retail, you can wholesale. Okay? Nakapag-distribute na rin po tayo. We have mga wholesalers in Japan, Singapore, UAE, US, Switzerland, Canada, Australia, Ireland, Canada, at marami pang iba. We have franchisees, distributors, wholesalers in Switzerland, Ireland, Madrid, Japan, UK, Singapore, UAE, Macau, Washington, New York, Florida, Vancouver, Calgary, Winnipeg, Toronto, and in Milan, Italy. Grabe po ang ating negosyo. Biruin mo, no? Ito, nagsimula lang online pero marami na sila. Pero to consider, napakalaki pa rin ng market kasi Philippines has 110 million population and worldwide we have 8 billion world population. But you have to see it before it becomes obvious to others. In any business naman, daig ng maagap ang masipag. Now, good news sa inyo. More than you becoming a wholesaler, our system provides training support. Meron po tayong online learning. Tinuturo po natin lahat sa bawat wholesaler. Meron tayong online academy na tinuturo paano paggamit ng food at pag-introduce our digital and also our health and wellness products. Lahat po ito available for every wholesalers. More so, me as a coach provides us very special training. We conduct daily Zoom from 10 a.m. Meron tayong 10 a.m., may 1 a.m. Minsan meron ding afternoon and evening. Gathering daily sa lahat ng mga wholesalers, franchisee. Tinuturuan po natin, pinapakita natin, at sinasamahan pa natin sila. So, hindi ka mag-isa gagawa ng negosyo. Maraming tutulong sa iyo at marami kang kasama. Now, in our system, we make results. Alam niyo po ba, we have developed several millionaires already. Mr. Francis Esguerra is from Singapore, nag-millionaire part-time. Miss Jamie Ryan, no, a certified pharmacist in Canada, nag-million na rin siya. We have Miss Mary Jane Reyes from Dubai. We have Ma'am Rio Baclan from United Kingdom. Ma'am Lorna Grospich Laurel, which is from Switzerland. Ma'am Rizalyn Gonoy from Japan. Ma'am Queenie V from Guam, US. Miss Resume Viloria from UK. Ma'am Lorna Tolentino from Italy, Miss Catherine Bautista from Canada, Janet Tuginay from UK, Miss Aya Moriyama from Japan, at madami pang iba. Ito po yung ating mga international wholesalers na nag-milyon na sila. And no, para malaman din po, in our organization, no, in Team The Best, we have already developed 47 millionaires in the span of 4 years. Yes, marami na pong kumita ng milyon sa ating grupo. And in our mother organization, which is Eralista, the largest franchise support with a proven, very effective support system. No? Kaya nagkakaresulta, we have developed more than 200 millionaires already. And we are helping people making milestone na kumita from 100,000 pataas up to earning their millions and more. So, eto po proseso, hindi naman to overnight. But I'm telling you, give me 1 year and I will make you earn your million. Doon pa lang sulit ka na eh. May health ka na, no? May income ka pa, at marami kang taong matutulungan. Not to mention the time freedom. Bakit? Kasi business mo to. You can do it anytime and anywhere. Now, sa akin din personally, for a personal testimony, just in 5 months doing the business, no, nakapagbili po ako ng ating Ford Everest na SUV. After a year, I've gotten my Mustang. On my second year, no, I got my Maserati GT and have bought several properties. At dahil din po rito sa JC, nakabili rin po tayo ng bagong house and lot, no? So dito, ibang klase talaga. Hindi lang pangkalusugan at kitaan. Dito, nakukuha mo pa yung mga pangarap siya. Now, we provide global incentives, guys, and we have a lot of success testimonies na ipapakita, ipapakilala, no, para maintindihan mo na nangyayari na siya talaga. Maraming mga tao nakuha yung mga dream cars nila, maraming mga tao na nakaroon din po ng mga dream house and lots nila. So, all you have to do is just to do it. Bakit? Nangyari na eh, sisimulan mo na lang siya. Now, how do we get our income in this opportunity? No? Our income is coming to you every week through your bank. No, we have our bank in BTO. Meron din po tayo mga e-wallet platforms. And of course, for international, we provide the JC Visa card na kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, ipapasok po natin doon. Then all you have to do is to use it and withdraw it in your currency. Now, marami na po tayong mga international partners na nakakapag-withdraw sa iba't ibang bansa. So dito, proven ito and made available for you. So paano natin sisimulan? It's very simple. All you have to do is fill up the application form, provide us your name, your address, your contact number, your email address, and of course, provide that as a copy of your ID. Now, para malaman nyo, you have to choose your package, guys. The first package, you have the Master Wholesaler, which gives you at 60%. The Mega Wholesaler gives you 50%. The Super Wholesaler, providing you at 47%. And the Wholesaler package, which provides you at 43%. Now, for the situation na talagang hindi mo pa kaya, no, nagpo-provide po tayo ng magandang package. We call it the starters package, which is only a limited offer. It's a one-day package na pag ginawa mo kagad, pwede ka magsimula kahit sa maliit na 17 2,888. Pero limited offer lang po yan and it's a one-day promo and you enjoy 40%. Pagbili mo pa lang, meron ka na kaagad na 17 boxes ng JC Organic Barley, no? Na ang value po nun more than 20,000. Gamitin mo, ibenta mo, balik yung money mo, tapos paikutin mo na lang siya and you can increase your package. Now, after becoming a wholesaler, all you have to do, of course, no, choose your package lang. Choose your product. Choose your payment mode if you wanted to buy through debit card, credit card, check payments, or other modes of payment. And of course, no, hanapin nyo po kung sino po yung authorized wholesaler na nag-introduce sa'yo and they will, of course, absolutely support you and assist you kung paano natin iproseso ito. Nandito po kami para ituro at tulungan kayong gawin ito. Guys, it's simple. It takes one decision to change your life. Alam nyo ba? This is an opportunity. Kasi kahit hindi mo naman gawin, gagawin talaga ng iba, no? But it becomes a golden opportunity pag ginawa mo. Do it now and make it happen and, be healthy, be wealthy, and achieve your dreams.